Team Bath Racing Electric is the electric Formula student team at the University of Bath. So we build single-seater Formula-style cars to race in the Formula Student competition.
That competes at Formula Student UK and for the first time Formula Student Electric China.
I think the best thing about this project is that it's fully student run. So every part of the project, from the planning, the business, the commercial side, all of the design, manufacturing, absolutely everything is done by the students or is organised by the students. We have a philosophy of built not bought, building everything in as far as we can ourselves.
We tend to do a sort of paper design first and then implement that into software. We do a lot of testing in the virtual environment because that's where you can make mistakes, and then eventually we implement it onto the car.
We're not a big team, so everyone really has to kind of fulfil the gaps wherever they can.
The spindles are quite a complex part as we're using centre lock nuts for the first time this year. And so the manufacturing process for that was going to be very complicated. Autodesk Advanced Manufacturing Facility is able to machine those parts for us.
We're a very young project still. We've only been going, this is our third year now, and we've already come so far. So having a full working car that's actually race-worthy this year is really fantastic.
When you see it run for the first time, or you fix a problem and it's suddenly a lot better, a lot faster, make the high points.
It's a really rewarding experience that I probably wouldn't change.
When you start with big dreams and big plans and people are kind of thinking, can they do it? And then you build the thing at the end and you're like, look, we built it, it's there. That's an unbelievable feeling. I just can't describe how good that feels. It's like about the people that you work with, so like the teamwork. I've made friends that I will hopefully hold on to for life.